Hi! In front of me is Asus ROG Phone 6D, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, you need to scroll down to access Privacy section. Then click on Permission Manager and tap on one of those options that you wish to manage, like Location. Then select one of your apps by tapping on the chosen one. In my case, Chrome. Over here, apply the best option for you, and when you're ready, click on the back button. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with don't allow, so in this case, I need to choose don't allow anyway in the pop-up. So when I go back, as you can see, Chrome no longer has access to my device's location. But you can always just click on one of your apps that you are interested in, like Camera, and tap on See All Camera Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those options only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!